All right, before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to Colleen, Mary Ellen, and Greg. They're our patrons on Patreon, and they support our content, our podcast, this YouTube channel, our blog, and so I really appreciate that. And if you're interested in doing the same, if you want to support our content, or if you want to learn meditation or clairvoyance, go check out patreon.com/soulsgonewild. Okay, so this drawer right here below the refrigerator, we didn't lock that in place while we were traveling, and it came out, and the one of the rails got a little bent, so I had to bend that back just slightly, and now it goes back in just fine. So that was one thing that we needed to fix that is corrected. Alright, so here's the drawer, and that fits in right down here, no problem. But as you can tell, the shelf just above fell out while we were traveling. And this is this little flimsy piece of not even real wood. So that is what I'm working on now to fix that and figure out a solution. Okay, I added a board right here and another one right there. So there was already like a little ledge underneath here. That's how it's resting right here. So I mean, it's it's still a flimsy small piece of fake wood there, but we can put in just a few light items, and at least it's still a usable space instead of just a gaping hole. So I definitely don't consider myself a handyman by any means, but I'm a very creative person, so when it comes to construction, I can definitely get a little creative, and it's not the most professional, but usually gets the job done. It works. So if you've seen our repairing our slide video, basically in that corner some water was leaking in and rotted out a section of that wood. Same thing in this corner. So what we did was we added some, basically put down a whole new board and just drilled it into the existing board below it, and then added a frame all across on the bottom inside, and drilled that into the studs we could find in the sides, and then also drilled it into the top new board we put in. That didn't last too long, just from all the traveling. It broke the corner here, so basically we're back to square one and wondering, can we do something to just do an easy fix, or are we going to basically rip out the entire floor itself and put a whole new one in? So we'll see, but that's the next thing. So we're currently staying in my wife's brother's RV while we have this thing in a barn, and we're working on it because it's gonna be raining a lot where we're at. So we got some covers so we can actually work on the slide and not have to worry about getting it wet or anything like that.
You wild souls, we are in Missouri. It is hot, it is humid, and I'm sweaty. I'm going to tear the carpet off of the step here. I hate it. It's always covered with dirt and the dog hair, and I just don't like the carpet on there. So I'm gonna rip the carpet off and try to see if I can get creative with that. And then we're going to work on the slide floor. I think I'm going to go ahead and move the furniture into the office because the things we need to fix in the office are done. So we'll move the furniture off the slide and into the office so it's ready for when it rains. Because something about farm life that a lot of people don't understand or realize is that a lot of their lives depend on the weather. If it's raining, they can't get in the field. And it's been raining a lot lately. So they haven't been able to be in the field and plant. So these last couple of days have been sunshine since we have arrived. So my dad and my brother have been in the field trying to finish planting and do things as quickly as possible before it starts raining again. So that's just part of this life.
Okay, I think we have the slide pretty much fixed. We're just waiting for some caulk to dry so we can do a test run on bringing it in. Just making sure everything goes in and out smoothly. Talking about the RV. And so Heather's working on this step right here. Okay, so Heather is still working on this step. She's almost finished. That way we got some, room to put some more stuff, like some, shoes or something. So yesterday she fixed the spring on the handle of the door, so that's all set. We used to always get a gap down here because this was coming down. So now I've tightened this up. I had to take the whole door off to do it. But yeah, it's a fix. But yeah, that is, I think, pretty much for the repairs that we've been wanting to do. But yeah, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, share this video, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.